Welcome to Linux Made Easy with hands-on training. This course is designed for those wanting to learn the basics of the Linux operating system using a 100% hands-on learning environment. Be sure to check out the table of contents under the Linux Made Easy main course page. By the end of this course, students will be able to install, configure, and manage a Linux operating system, and be able to apply that knowledge in a practical and useful way at an intermediate level. Module 01 is the foundation for all labs that follow. Once you have successfully completed this first module, you may proceed with the rest of the course. Please do not enroll until you have successfully completed the first module of the course, Building Your Virtual Lab Environment. The Virtual Lab Environment consists of a single virtual install of Linux Fedora Workstation and one virtual install of Linux Fedora Server. Everyone has access to this module before they enroll. Each lab comes with a video tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Be sure to watch each short video tutorial before starting each lab. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. Trying to race through any lab can end in failure. At Cyber Offense, your success is how we rate our success. Enjoy the course, and thanks for watching.